Alright, we just went to Ulta and we got these Ulta mini brands, 3 of them. I am hoping to get the mini blow dryer. I need 2 of them so I can make some cute little mini blow dryer earrings because I'm a hairdresser and we like hairdresser things. I can also go for like the round brush blow dryer. I don't know. We'll see. So, fingers crossed. Let's see what we got in this first one. Aria, you want to come see what's in these? I'm opening the mini brands. Oh my goodness. Alright. First one open. How do I open this? Oh my gosh, it just has another seal around it.
Can I open one?
Yes, you open one too. Why does it have 2 things? What's a solid white ball? Ready?
Sure.
Oh, they have a little pack. I've never opened one of these before. Okay. It's a little mini Way hair oil. That could work for earrings. A little mini tart shape tape. Look at the top twist. You're still opening that. Takes time. 2 layers. Alright. What's in here? So each one has 5, I believe. What is this? This is a little mini e.l.f. foundation, I believe. Look, the top, like... Oh my gosh, it's a little one.
Yeah, Lily said you can open them.
Look how cute. Can I open this one? No, I don't think so. I'm gonna break it, I think. Okay. Oh, here's a little mini e.l.f. What the heck is this? Oh, it's just so small I can't read it. This little guy. Does this open? No, but it does twist. So that's something. Oh, here's a little... Alright. All the brand stuff. So it's an e.l.f. Makeup Melting Balm.
I got a nail polish.
Halo Glow. Oh, you got OPI nail polish? Cute. That's cute. Top come off that. Oh, look, it's a little nail polish brush.
Eyeliner. Waterproof.
Oh, it's in a box. Does it come out of the box?
Don't ruin it.
I think it comes out of the box, Aria.
I don't know what this is.
Look, it's a little eyeliner. Comes in the
Butter
little
gloss.
box. NYX Butter Gloss. Ooh. No blow dryer yet, guys. No blow dryer.
Shape tape or something. Open.
Yeah, the shape tape. Oh, it does open?
Yeah.
So am I just being a weenie with not wanting to open this one? I feel like... Oh, yep. Just being a weenie. Ooh, snaps on nice and tight. Oh yeah, I got one more in mine. Hold on. I got Way Detox Shampoo. I love this stuff. It's so good. Does it open?
Why is this thing so long?
It's everything that's in it. Long and skinny. All of the different things you could get. See? Any of these would be good for my hairdresser earrings.
I got a fine
I guess
medium
these
hair
Monday
treatment.
ones would be really cute earrings. What'd you get?
Fine medium hair treatment.
Oh, I love these little baby Way treatments. They have the travel size masks, and they look just like this, just a little bit bigger. They're so freaking cute. Is that all 5 that were in yours?
Yeah.
No tools yet. Well, this one has to have the tools, right? Rub it for good luck.
Lily rubbed this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the good luck one. Is it better luck if you open it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll open the first layer. You open the second layer. The first layer is harder, I think. Alright.
It's like a really hard to open Elbow surprise doll.
Oh, surprise doll. Alright. I'll take these 2. This don't feel big enough to be the blow dryer. It comes in a box.
This
so.
one does.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Open it. Open it. Open it. What is it?
It's a hair.
Oh! Look! It's a little round brush.
This one.
Ah!
I don't know.
It's
what
so
this
stinking
is.
cute. Let me see it.
And then the other ones are small.
Oh, acidic bonding concentrate. That's the look at these. Need a blow dryer or something to go with it.
Blow oil.
Okay. Okay. Yay! Double shot. What is this? This is like the whip stuff. Cocoa Cloud. Is it open? Oh, it does. It has a little whip product in there. It's not usable, but it's cute.
These ones don't open.
Acidic bonding concentrate. Love this stuff. And super goop glow oil. Don't open. I have one more. It's the last one. It's small. It's definitely not a blow dryer. So sad.
I could have really rubbed it.
NYX fat oil.
I have that same one.
What is it? Lip oil?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Is this a good color for me? Uh-huh. All right. So that's our haul. 1 hot tool for our hair. And so if you get one, you feel like donating it to me, you're welcome to. All right. Thanks. Bye.